Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. Today is the second day of my final landscape summer internship. I'm interning with RSG, Landscaping and Lawn Care, in Richmond, Virginia, and in Lynchburg, Virginia. Like I said guys, today is only my second day. So far it's been pretty good. I got to introduce to some people. I worked with an assistant manager yesterday, and we did flowers and pulled some weeds. So I'm excited to see what happens today, and I'm going to take you guys along with me as well as the rest of the week. So today is Wednesday, May 30th. Yesterday was Tuesday, May 29th, and that was my first day. Didn't want to film on my first day. I wanted to make a good impression. Didn't want to let these people know I'm kind of crazy yet. So, alright, let's go inside and see what's going on. And if you're new here, thanks for joining. My saying is let's landscape together, because I want people to understand that landscaping is a collective effort. It's not just you, we're all in this together. So let's landscape together. Alright guys, so what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. We've loaded up, we're outside the shop right now. We've got 200 annuals in here, and we are going to be going to an apartment complex and ripping out the old pansies and putting in some lantana and some New Guinea impatiens. We're also going to another property. We're one of 3 flower crews today. Here's the other one over here. She's still loading up. But yeah guys, it's me and Kyle. I know Kyle before. He graduated from Virginia Tech, so I remember working with him. Good guy. So excited to see what we got going on today. We couldn't quite fit all 200 in the truck bed here. So here are all our tools and our fertilizer, and then we have some more New Guinea impatiens in here. And this is my backpack and everything. So yeah, the truck is a Chevy 2500 HD crew cab with I think a 6-foot bed on the back. It's a gasser, 6.0 gasser, not the diesel, but yeah. So anyway guys, I will get back to you once we're at the job site. So looks like the other flower crew is starting to leave. Wave goodbye to them while we're going out. We're here at Brandy Hill Apartments, and we are switching out some annuals. So we've prepared the bed by ripping the existing pansies out. We've weeded it, we set the plants out, and now we're going to put them in with a little bit of fertilizer. Alright guys, and we are all done. Pulled the pansies out, weeded it, put an edge on it, and then put in some New Guinea Impatiens and some Lantana. Kyle put a killer edge on it. Perfect circle around the sign, going out. Looks pretty good. On to the next one.
Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. We're working at Delmont Village in Richmond, Virginia, and we just did a bunch of landscaping, vine pulling, pruning, poison ivy removal, and flowers today. I edged these beds right along here. Kyle just put in these flowers. And now we're gonna load up the tarp of all the landscaping material we collected. Good? Yep. We also installed some begonias over here around the leasing office, and some more begonias here on the side. Every time we put in flowers, we have standard operating procedure. We remove the old flowers, then we till up the beds, then we dig each hole, we put everything out, make sure we have it in a nice pattern for the client, and then what we'll do is we'll hand dig all the holes and then put in some 14-14-14, which is a type of fertilizer. This is used to help rejuvenate the annuals and give them some nutrients that they need to grow. And then we always put a hand spade edge on the bed that we do, so we always dig the edge by hand. We just feel that it defines the edge better than doing it mechanically. And then lastly, we'll fill everything back in and make it look like the perfect bed. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and roll out and pick up our remaining brush piles. This pile here is probably the nastiest.
Definitely do not want to touch it. Have to have gloves, at least.
This one, guys, is all poison ivy.
Do not try this at home.
Yeah, do not try this at home.
Please do not. Your parents don't want the hospital bill, and you don't want to spend that time.
Yeah. Just so you guys know, we always wear our seatbelts, but in this case, we literally just went 50 feet.
Yep.
So,
One to the other.
So
we're not on the road, so.
We're not on the roads. Yeah. I don't think you hit above 10 miles an hour.
I want 5 instead.
Yeah. So, hey Kyle, who's the safety director at RSG?
That's Jeff Jones.
Yeah. Jeff Jones is supposed to review all my videos, so hey Jeff.
Yeah. Hey Jeff, safety glasses.
Yeah, see, we got our safety glasses. Wearing my my earplugs since I've been operating the blower. You know.
Yeah.
We got it down. Now
safe.
we're gonna use gloves to handle this poison ivy.
Right.
Safety is key.
RSG.
Go. Hey, safety is key. Go RSG. You heard it here first.
That's right.
Please adopt that, actually, though.